Step 1. Download this app to earn money playing games. Step 2. Play any game you like. Step 3. Make money. The name of this app is... Hey you! Do you want to make money online just by playing games? Well, in this video, I will show you 5 legit apps that will actually pay you for playing games. And that too, all for free. And you don't even need to be a pro gamer to start. All you need is just an internet connection to download the apps, and boom! You can start getting payments like these just by playing simple games. Welcome to Make Your Bucks, where we show you legit ways of how to make money online. Subscribe to the channel if you want to receive payments like these simply from the comfort of your home. And that too, for free. The first website that will pay you for playing games online is Wamplay. This one is not an app, but a website, and good for you because there's no need for any downloads. You just sign up to the site and start earning right away. With this website, you will get paid in crypto. But if you have no interest in crypto, don't worry. I will also show you apps that will pay out via PayPal. These are some of the top paying games on Wamplay. You can play any game of your choice, be it this one in the strategy category right here, or this one in the RPG category, and make money online. No investment required. You can see right here, when you play games, you earn points and cash by playing and competing. And then finally, you'll be able to cash out the goodies you earn. And if you scroll down a little, these are all the recent prizes that people have won. This could be you. All you need to do is sign up for a free account by clicking on register right here. Now you can choose to sign up to the website either with Google, Facebook, Twitter, or even Apple if you use iOS. After that, you need to check these 2 boxes and you're all set. As you can see, if you click this second box right here, you get 500 Wambucks. This is a great head start. So make sure you tick this box too. The second app that you can use is App Karma. As you can see here, earn rewards playing with apps. It's free. When you download this app, then you will be able to play various games from here, such as these games that you see right here. And as you play the games, you make money. That's a totally fun and simple way to make money online, right? And as you can see here, when you complete offers, you earn rewards and then you can convert your points into real cash, and then request a payout via PayPal. If you're not into cryptocurrency, then you should definitely try using this app. The best part, this app is available for both Android and iOS, as you can see right here. And look at this, you get 300 points just for signing up. Awesome, isn't it? If you scroll down right here to referral rewards, share your invite link and receive 30% of what your referrals earn. This means that you can invite your friends and family using your special link, and then, as long as they keep playing games on this app, you get paid 30% of what they make. I will not be sharing my referral link with you because I only want you to make money online by playing these games, and not make money off of you. Now, if we scroll down to Karma Plays right here, you will see that this app offers daily rewards, and this can help you to earn lots of bonus prizes. All you need to do now to start making money is click on this Get App Karma button right here, and you'll be taken to a page like so. You just need to enter your phone number in here, and then select this Text Me the App button right here, and you will get the link to the app. The third app where you can make money by playing games is Swagbucks Live. As you can see here, Swagbucks Live is a trivia game show where you test your knowledge to win huge cash prizes. It's free. Just download the app to play. If you like playing trivia, then you should definitely install this app and start playing. And as you can see, this app is available on both the App Store and the Google Play Store, which means it doesn't matter whether you use iOS or Android. You can still make money by playing this trivia game. If you scroll down a little, you can see right here, it tells you how to play this game. So every weekday you will have questions to answer, and you'll have to give the correct answer before the timer runs out. And look here, if you answer all the questions correctly, you'll be able to win the grand prize. Now don't worry if you don't get all the questions right. If you look right here, even if you don't get the grand prize, you will still earn Swagbucks live digital currency for the questions that you answer correctly. And as you can see right here, you can try your luck again with the grand prize using the digital currencies, or you can redeem them for cash or free gift cards. So download the app and get started today, and who knows, you might just win the grand prize. However, the catch with this app is that it might not be available in all countries. The fourth app that you can use to make money online by playing games is Match to Win. I will show you how much I have made playing this game. But first, let me tell you what it's about. If you scroll down a little, right here, it explains how you can make money by playing this game. The levels are very easy to clear. And if you look right here, there are daily competitions where you can earn cash prizes. Plus, check this out right here. Win real money, prizes, and cash out via PayPal. No purchases necessary. Today could be your lucky day. And if you're still not convinced, let me show you how much I have made in this game so far. So this is my progress in the game so far. I'm only at level 3, but as you can see right here, this is what I've made so far. It ain't much, but this is only level 3. So as you keep playing, you'll make more money. Before we move on to the final app for today, I would greatly appreciate it if you could take a moment to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the video. Now the last app for today is CointoPly. The app version of CointoPly is only available on the Google Play Store, as you can see right here. But even if you use iOS, you can still make money simply by using the website. And look here. Over $12 million paid. Earn free Bitcoin. CointoPly will pay out only via Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. So if you're a crypto fan then, you should definitely start playing games on this website today. If you scroll right here, look at the review it has from Trustpilot. 4.7 out of 5. So rest assured, this CointoPly is 100% legit. And if you keep scrolling till here, look at what it says. Earn crypto by playing fun games online. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency but don't want to risk your money, then using this website is a great way for you to start stacking some crypto. That's great, right? Plus, on CointoPly, you can do so much more than just playing games. You can watch videos, shop online, or just sign up to exciting services. And you will be able to earn real crypto. So click on this sign up button right here, and as it says, start earning. Look at this bonus offer right here. You will get 1,000 coins for free if you sign up in the next 5 minutes. So all there's left for you to do now is to take action and start earning. Good luck making money!